by the title of the video, like I'm trying to just jump straight into it because we got a lot to tackle. Clean my entire house with me from top to bottom. I'm predicting that this is going to take about 2.5 hours. Okay, so this is what we're working with. The puppy boy. He has toys everywhere, but this is the living room. Get all this stuff off the counters. We got some dishes, a pot that I need to clean. Probably even start with this because it's the easiest room because no one comes in here except this nigga right here, bro. I can't tell you how many times I've asked him to stay off my rabbit hair rug. Two baskets of laundry, makeup. That's okay. I need to make the bed, wipe the mirrors down, and dust the bookshelf. I'm telling you, our house is clean. It just needs some love, some straightening. Right now it's 1:33 and we're about to get into it. The first room and hallway and I'm literally breaking a sweat. This is no joke. It takes blood, sweat, and tears to clean a house. Okay, now we're about to tackle the kitchen. Dishes, clean dishes to put away, dirty dishes to wash, and then sweep, mop, and wipe everything down. A lot of people know this, but if you ever are low on green onions, like at the root, you just put them in a cup of water. Okay. You just put them in a cup of water and they'll regrow. This is all new stalk. And then we just put them in some water and they regrew. The more you know. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Making some good progress. It's been, oh my God, it's been 69 minutes. I've burned 300 calories. So I've done the front room, the hallway, the kitchen. All we got left is the living room, which is literally the worst part to sweep and vacuum because this is where our dog sleeps. He's in his cage right now, so it's full of hair. We're almost done. What we have left is our bedroom and the bathroom. I can tell you right now, this laundry, I'm not doing it. That's where I draw the line. Like, she and me, we can keep staring at each other for the next 2 weeks for all I care. I am not doing that laundry today. I've been cleaning for 1 hour and 44 minutes and I burned 466 calories. So, are we going to the gym? Hell no! So let me just finish the master and then mop and we'll literally be done.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? Would it just the same? But when I finally found words to say. I wanted to run away. Really? Simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make it different. Can't lie to yourself.
Baby, I am working. Let's see, 2 hours and 33 minutes, 700 calories. Oh my gosh. Guys, we are officially done cleaning the entire house. Spraying the whole house. I am exhausted. I'm about to go take me a nice shower. I really should take a bubble bath, but we're actually about to go meet up with some family for dinner. So I wish I could soak, because girl, my lower back is on 10. The whole house is spotless. All that's left to do is light a candle, because if you don't light a candle, did you even really clean? Exactly. So this is the strawberry pound cake from Bath and Body Works. I know it sounds childish, but it smells so good. It took me just exactly 3 hours. Burned 827 calories. That's insane. Everything looks so nice. My dog's been in the cage this whole time. He's pissed. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want more videos like this. About to go take me a shower and go eat some good food because I am starving. Okay, bye.